Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another Toxicity Forex video. I break down complexities and make them very simple for you to understand. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly what you need to do in order to catch moves like this. Stay tuned and watch to the very end. Let's go. This trade took place today, and today is the 18th of July 2023. Now, what are the components which you need to know before you enter trades like this? Now, this kind of situation do not happen every day, but when they do, it's fantastic. So we have a stickman right here, and there's a springboard right in front of him. Okay, now the price first goes up and then drops down into the springboard before the price appreciates in value, and it just continues to go up. It has been going up for the past 9 hours. Okay, 9-10 hours. So first of all, this springboard over here, okay, is a demand zone. So let's move our friend to the upside. In demand zone, that's where we find buyers. Buyers are waiting at the demand zone levels. Okay, they're waiting for the price to reach their level before they push the price to the upside. Now, what makes this level strong? Okay, this level also broke structure. There's a swing high to the left right here, and this move to the upside actually overtook this swing. Okay, so once this move to the upside actually happened and overtook this swing high to the left, we then had a pullback. This pullback was very small and very snappy, and it came into this demand zone, aka the springboard. And around this level, we now have to wait for a strong engulfing bullish signal. Okay, so we had this candle over here. It was the same color engulfing candlestick. Now I need you to focus, because this candle didn't just engulf the previous candle, it also engulfed the open of this candlestick right here. I'm gonna paint in a different color. Let's try yellow. So this is where this bearish candle opened, and this bullish candle closed above the open of this candlestick. Okay, if you don't know how candlesticks open and close, then watch my other videos on my channel. Okay, so this candlestick closed above the open of this bearish candle, signifying that the bulls are in control of the market. At this point, you could have entered the market. Okay, so in a nutshell, in essence, our friend over here, okay, jumped onto the springboard, and the springboard now pushed him right up to this level. Okay, but how did we know that price was going to trend upwards in such a strong manner? We do not know. However, there's a clue. Okay, the clue is that when you look to the left and there's no opposition, okay, when you look to the left hand side and there's nothing for quite a few days, that just means that the price is free to make its trend to the upside. Another two assistants which you could add to your trading view are Heikin-Ashi candlesticks and trend meter. Okay, trend meter is right here, and that one is Heikin-Ashi. Heikin-Ashi smooths the price, and it only shows you the average close of each candlestick. So it's not true price, but it's very good at summarizing what is happening. And if I just draw this line like this vertical line, okay, we actually had several confluences. We had one H engulfing right here, which engulfed the open of this bearish candle. Okay, that's the most important signal. We also had price reject this demand zone, which is our springboard. Okay, we also had this Heikin-Ashi right here change color and engulf the previous candlesticks, and we also had 4 dots on the trend meter. All this together gives us a strong indication that the price was going to do very well today. And for those of you who have caught it, congratulations. Now, for those of you who do not know how to catch trades like this, then what you need to do is click the link in the description section below. I teach people and aspiring forex traders how to maximize their potential via understanding the skill of forex trading. I'll see you on the inside. Subscribe to this channel, like this video. Take care.